Here is a tutorial on how to complete assignment number 4, your marketing packaging. So you're going to want to go ahead and log on to Google Classroom and scroll down to Management and Marketing unit. And we're using assignment number 4, marketing packaging. So let's go ahead and click on the assignment and look at what the assignment is asking us to do. So for this assignment, you're creating effective packaging, meaning it's going to have curb appeal. So it's going to pull consumers in to want to purchase that product. Your task when you're creating your packaging is to include the following elements. So for your packaging, you have to include the name of your product, a description of what the product is, any design and pictures we can use from the internet, so we are able to copy and paste. If you're wanting to create your own, that is totally fine, but you will be designing them using Microsoft Word. Price of your product, a barcode, same thing, we can grab this from the internet and just copy and paste. Any ingredients and nutritional information, this is if your product is food or beverage. The quantity of items inside, so for instance, if it was a puzzle, how many pieces, or one Big Mac per package, right? One sandwich per package. And how the packaging is environmentally friendly in 3 different ways. So this is going to be a small write-up of what is environmentally friendly packaging. The appeal of your product is based on many elements, such as color, quality of the photographs, your logo and design, the type of font, so typography that you use. Now, in order to help us design our packaging, we're going to be using Template Maker. So what this does is it creates a shape and tells us where to cut and fold in order to create this package. And we have to make sure when we're printing it that it does print on an 8.5 by 11. So 8.5 is the width of your page and 11 is the length. But let's go ahead and look at a few templates. So inside here we have lots of different templates we can use. So I'm going to go ahead and scroll down to the one I used the other day, and it was the trapezoid. So for the trapezoid shape, it even gives you an idea that this product could be used for expensive chocolates and shows you how you can orientate it, etc. So we have right here the units of measurement. You can change this to inches, centimeters, or milliliters. So I'm going to go ahead and change it to inches because I know I need it to fit on an 8.5 by 11. So the width of my package, the length, etc. Let's go ahead and just preview this to make sure it does print to one page. So we're going to go create. And this is what I should see. So if I was to print this off, this is how it's going to print. We can go up here. We're going to go print. It'll also show you another preview, and it looks like it prints to one page, so that's perfect. And then you're just going to go ahead and select print. Once we have this printed off, we are going to cut on the solid red line everything out first. And then with the blue dotted line, that is where you fold. So these blue dotted lines, they are meant to be on the inside of your package. So when you're folding, let's say this top flap right here, it should be folding in and sitting on top of the blue line. Because right now, this is the inside of our package, and the other side of our piece of paper is the outside. So we are going to cut this out and then fold on the blue dotted line so that the dots are inside your packaging. Once we have that folded, then we are going to just map out how to fold and put together our package. And once we have a 3D form, we can then with a pencil start to plan where do we want our barcode to go, where do we want the description to be on our package of what our product is, where do we want our product name, or any pictures that we're including of our product, so that we can orientate ourselves and visualize how this is going to look when we design it 2D. So we're designing everything on this 2D shape and folding it into 3D. So where we place things matters. So once you have your design selected, print it out, cut it out, and fold it and put it together.